Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products so you don't have to waste your time searching. Today, we've found the best 80s tops for women out there. It's stylish, comfy, and party ready. Let's take a closer look at the 90s 80s outfit for women. Off the shoulder top. A true retro gem that's turning heads. Right out of the box, the look screams vintage 80s energy. The design blends the iconic off-the-shoulder cut with a bold neon-style print that instantly evokes classic disco party vibes. Whether you're headed to a themed bash, Halloween, a retro night out, or even just spicing up your daily outfit with a flash of nostalgia, this shirt nails the aesthetic. Now let's talk fabric. It's made from a breathable cotton blend. That's 35% cotton, 60% polyester, and 5% spandex. What does that mean for you? It means it's light, flexible, and moves with you. No stiff, itchy retro shirts here, just soft, stretchy comfort you can actually wear all night. Whether you're dancing to Madonna or just hanging out with friends, the material keeps you cool and confident. The fit? Designed with a relaxed silhouette that flatters without clinging. The off-shoulder cut is wide enough to sit comfortably without slipping too much, and the sleeves are short, keeping the look casual but flirty. The wide neck and drop shoulder combination channel classic 80s attitude. Think big hair, bright lips, and boomboxes on your shoulder. It's also super versatile. Pair it with high-waisted jeans, shorts, leggings, or a tutu skirt if you're going all out for a costume party. Dress it up with heels and chunky jewelry, or keep it chill with sneakers and a scrunchie in your hair. Either way, it adapts to the vibe you're going for. The top comes in sizes ranging from small to XX large, with sizing suggestions tailored to US standards. As for care, it's low maintenance. Toss it in the washing machine and avoid bleach, that's it. No hand washing, no delicate cycles, no stress. Now if you're wondering about the overall quality, it looks and feels more premium than the price tag suggests. At just $19.99, it's a budget-friendly way to completely transform your look. You're not just buying a shirt, you're buying a whole vibe. A nostalgic moment, a fun flashback that still feels modern and wearable today. So, should you buy it? If you want something that's cute, comfy, and instantly 80s without looking like a cheap costume, this one hits the mark. It's great for parties, but honestly, you might find yourself wearing it more than you expected, because it's just that easy to style and feel good in. That's it for this edition of Product Critique. If you're looking for the best 80s top for women, this one is our top pick, hands down. Stay tuned for more honest, no fluff breakdowns of the products that deserve your attention. Catch you in the next one.